Hey guys, Alice here. Do you want to start any passive income and you don't know where to start? Are you looking for low budget option that won't break the bank? And most importantly, do you want to know the best platform and how much you can get started with? If you answer yes to any of these questions, then this video is for you. I will advise you not to skip any part of this video because every part of this video is valuable, okay? Without wasting much of your time, let's dive in. The number one low budget passive income idea for beginners is real estate crowdfunding, guys. This is the most powerful passive income that anyone can go into. The question you might be having in your mind right now is, Alice, I do know that real estate is the real deal, but before you can go into real estate, you need millions of naira or even millions of dollars. But girl, don't worry, I'm going to be taking you step by step on how you can actually tap into this real estate investment with little as $5 to $10. With real estate, there's a constant cash flow and reacquisition of properties. Whether it's short length, rental property, or flipping property, real estate can provide you consistent monthly income and also appreciate over the years. Real estate has a large tendency for you to make money even while you sleep, okay? As I earlier said, you do not need fortune or millions of naira before you can actually go into this real estate funding. With just 10,000 naira or $10, you can actually invest into this real estate funding, okay? There is something called REITs. Real Estate Investment Trust. REIT in a nutshell is buying into the stock of companies that invest in real estate. With as little as $6 to $11, you can actually tap into this passive income wealth that is going to pay you money every single month. This is a really good passive income idea that is also low budget that anybody can go into, okay? If you want me to do a dedicated video on how you can actually invest in real estate through REIT, please let me know down in the comment section. I'm going to be making that video for you guys. Number two low budget passive income for beginners is dividend stock. Guys, this one is another profitable passive income idea that you can tap into today, okay? This particular dividend stock do not just only appreciate in value, but it pays consistently over time. Take for instance companies like Amazon, Coca-Cola, Apple, even some Nigerian banks do pay dividends to their shareholders through dividends company. To invest in stock is not as difficult as you think, alright? To actually buy a dividend stock in this company that I've mentioned, like Apple, Amazon, and the likes, it's not as actually really tedious or difficult as you think. With as little as $10, that's equivalent to 13,000 naira or 15,000 naira, you can actually buy a tiny part of that company, which these companies can actually pay you every single month, depend on the plan that you opt for, okay? It's actually simple and easy. You don't need millions of naira before you can have a tiny share in this company. If you also want me to do a dedicated video on how you can actually tap in on this opportunity, please still let me know in the comment section and I'm going to be doing that video for you guys, okay? If you've watched this video to this extent, it means it's value for your time. Please consider smashing the like button for me. Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you are yet not to subscribe. Turn on your bell notification to get notified each time I upload a beautiful content like this. The third low budget passive income ideas for beginners is creating intellectual property and digital asset, guys. This one is actually very easy to tap into, and the beautiful part of this one is you can actually do the work once and you will earn for a lifetime. Yes, you heard me right. You are going to earn for a very long period of time, okay? When I mean intellectual property or digital assets, I mean digital products, blogging, creating your own courses, your YouTube channel, social media pages, guys, there's a whole lot of money to be made in this particular industry because it is skyrocketing every passing moment of the day, guys. Do not sleep on this particular one, please. I know you might be saying, what do I know that I can teach people? Are you seriously kidding me? What do you know that you can teach people? Girl, you know a whole lot of things that you can actually put together and teach people. This intellectual and digital asset can be you creating a course, an ebook, a webinar, blogging, social media pages. See, there is a whole lot of money in this particular industry. If you don't know where to start from this digital asset of a thing, I will advise you start from ebooks, okay? The other day I was scrolling through Facebook and I saw this ad on FB. It's an ebook, how to make zobo. This hibiscus drink, okay? So I saw this person really put this ebook together, how to prepare a zobo drink. As you see the engagement that ad has, the comments, the likes and shares, you don't need anybody to tell you that that particular book is doing so well. And I will tell you this for a fact, that the person who actually created that ebook did not even spend up to 48 hours. So baby girl, stop dimming your light by telling yourself that, what do I know? How will I teach people? How do I do this? Babe, you have a whole lot that you can teach someone and the person will be so glad to pay you for you to teach them. If you also want me to do a dedicated video on how you can actually package your knowledge, on how you can quickly leverage on someone else's knowledge and create a digital asset, still let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to be creating a dedicated video in respect of that. So the number 4 low budget passive income idea for beginners is affiliate marketing. Guys, I know that you are thinking affiliate marketing is oversaturated, is this, is that. I know that, but I'm going to tell you in this video that affiliate marketing is not oversaturated. You are thinking that affiliate marketing is oversaturated because you do not actually know the right way to go about it, okay? Did you know that you can actually do affiliate marketing with the products you already have in your house, like the product that make life easy for you? You can actually do affiliate marketing and you will start getting sales today. Yes, you have me right, I mean today. I have done a video previously on how you can actually start affiliate marketing. All right, it's a detailed video that you can leverage on for you to know how you can do affiliate marketing correctly and start getting results as soon as possible. Just check out that video and you will be guided on how you can start making money through affiliate marketing as soon as possible. Okay, so the number 5 low budget passive income idea for beginners, it's my very favorite one, which is networking. I know for a fact that you come across people every day who are actually good people that influence you positively, but the problem is you do not know how to keep these people. That used to happen to me before, but I started working on myself and I'm glad that I am not where I used to be before. See, networking can skyrocket you to the place you have never imagined that you can go. Please, if maybe you do not know how to keep good friends, you don't know how to keep good network, please learn it. Learn how to, because good network is going to last you for a very long time, if not for a lifetime. You are going to go to rooms, to places you have never imagined yourself go, all right, because of your good networking. So guys, this brings us to the end of the video. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel if you are yet not to subscribe. The videos that are showing on your screen right now are actually the videos that YouTube recommend that you should watch from this channel. Click any of this video and I will see you in the other side.